Hello, I am Varissa from Varissa XI IPA-B. I will be demonstrating the experiment called the iodine clock experiment using easily accessed materials at home, plus hydrogen peroxide, which can be found in any local pharmacy. I don't have any measuring cup, so in this experiment, I will be guessing the amount needed. But here's the exact materials needed with measurements. In this experiment, you will need 12 milliliters of 10% iodine, 128 milliliters of warm water, crushed 500 milligrams of vitamin C. These three are for solution A. And then you will need 40 milliliters of boiling water, 200 milligrams of cornstarch, and 100 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide. These are for solution B. And you will need 2 transparent containers.
Prepare materials needed. Onto the warm water, pour crushed vitamin C and mix thoroughly until dissolved. It is okay if there are still a little bit of chunks. Now pour 12 milliliters of iodine to the dissolved vitamin C. When stirred, it should be transparent. My vitamin has food coloring in it, that's why it's pink. It won't affect the process of the reaction though. On another container, pour 200 milligrams of cornstarch into the boiling water. Mix thoroughly. Add 100 milliliters of 3% hydrogen peroxide. I added more iodine to the other container because the colors were pink and I was insecure about it. Now mix again. After that, combine both mixtures. I stir because using these materials might take longer to see the reaction. You can also mix by pouring the mixtures to each container over and over again. Now the color changes. Let's see why this occurred. Iodine reacts with vitamin C and converts to iodide, which is colorless. Hydrogen peroxide then oxidizes with iodide to form back to iodine, which is colored I2. These reactions push each other back and forth. So when hydrogen peroxide is forming colored I2, ascorbic acid or vitamin C reduces I2 back to I-. The reaction happens very quickly that I2 is barely seen, so it appears transparent. Next will be the fast reaction. It is where vitamin C starts to get consumed because of the hydrogen peroxide, and I2 then complexes with the I- to form I3 or triiodide complex, and it will react with starch and dark color to appear quickly. Well then, that's it. Thank you for watching.